Hello, it's Jennifer. Today is Friday, February the 8th. This morning I'm going to talk about lettuce, specifically the Four Seasons lettuce. This is one of the heads that I have in my garden. I picked the other one this morning. I took it inside to wash it, and we're going to eat salad with it later. But I thought I'd go over it. This lettuce was planted November 15th. So it's been, let's see, a little under 3 months since this lettuce has been growing. It headed up nicely. Fortunately, we've had some nice cool weather. Up until now, it's been pretty bug free, but now I have baby slugs. So when I picked the other head and went to wash it, it was full of baby slugs and earthworms, so I had to go ahead and rip the heads apart. So it was 2 heads of lettuce, and wash the leaves separately to get rid of the slugs and the earthworms. I haven't had to do much with this, so basically this bed was just refilled with cow manure that was mixed up before I planted the lettuce. I haven't done any additional fertilization or anything like that. Next to it, this is the red fire lettuce. I haven't tried it yet, but it is beautiful. This is not a heading type of lettuce. And then next to that are 2 romaines, and then red romaine. So now I'll go inside and show what the lettuce looks pulled apart. So this is the Four Seasons lettuce that I harvested this morning and cut it up. As you can see, it looks very much like iceberg lettuce, and it tastes almost iceberg lettuce, but it's not as tough. So you can see the red tips there. It's a very neutral tasting lettuce. So I had to rinse this lettuce 3 times to get all the little garden friends out, and also to remove the soil from the bottom. But once I did that, I'm rewarded with some nice lettuce here. So this head was about softball sized. So it kind of reminds me of a curly bib lettuce, but the bib lettuce leaves are tougher, but in size. And that's about it. So I will grow this lettuce again. I liked it. It tastes fine. It grows well in my yard. So it looks like it's a winner.